I'm going to be doing a tutorial, a short one, because I had a couple of people ask me actually today, about 3 people exactly, have asked me what program I use to get my PNG tuber to move smoothly. I'm not really using a particular. Well, I am using it. I'm using Fugi, Reactive Fugi, which is a software that connects to your Discord, and through your voice chat, the character um, talks basically in a way. So I'm gonna open up my internet here, and I'm gonna show you what it is. This is called reactive.fugi tech. So this is what you're gonna look for. I'll put in the description the link for it. So it connects to your Discord. So you're gonna click here and log into your Discord, and make sure that your Discord is open so you can connect to it. So you scroll down and authorize it, and continue to reactive images. You're gonna have it will open your Discord. So this is what you're gonna get to. Originally, only comes with one panel, which is going to be whatever image you use in Discord at the moment. So that's what's going to show up here. So the way I have this set up is on where it says configuration. I have bounce effect checked on, crossfade effect checked on, and the 4 slots here, I have all of them as always. Where it says shows names, I chose server nickname, so whatever nickname they go under in Discord only. So this way, if they have a real name or something, it doesn't show that. Name size, I have it at 20 pixel. And then image alignment, I have the straightforward, basically the last one, number 4 here, and image spacing 4%. Image spacing is going to be more for the group Fugi, meaning it's going to be you plus your friends. And then I'll show you different ways that you can do it. So right now, I'm going to show you how to add your images if you have images to upload. So we're going to click here, and I am just going to do I'm going to name this Mamasia VT2, and I'm going to choose a file. And for this one, I'm actually going to use some of my emotes that I made for myself. So I am going to choose. So we're going to choose this one. So that will be the first one. Okay. So what will happen is that it will automatically put it on all 4, which don't worry about it. So you could change it. So for the inactive one, I'm going to choose another one. And we're going to do this one. Just to be like funny. And for the next one, these emotes are based on my character that you see talking. So the next one will be this one. Actually, hold on. 1 second. Let's revert back. Oh, my goodness gracious. Hold on. Cancel. So we're going to change this one. We're going to put, actually, this one. All right, I need to close this one. Hold on, because it's not reacting like it should. I'm not sure why it's making a duplicate. Okay, so choose, and I'm going to choose this one. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so we're going to close this for a second, and we're going to start over. So let's name this Mama Sia VT2. Choose file, and we're going to choose this one. All right. Choose the second one. This one. And the third one. It's going to look funny, but... And then the last one will be this one. Okay, so I got my 4 images in, and then I'm going to save it. Okay. So I'm going to click on it so it's highlighted. So we'll turn white. And then we're going to go back to the Fugi here. And let's go here. And it looks like she's yelling at you. So, what are you talking about? Stop it. So this is the new Fugi, and it just looks weird. It just looks like she's yelling at you. All right, so once you have your characters or whatever image you want, then you're gonna clip on here, and this will copy the link, and then you're gonna add that as a browser in whatever software you use: OBS, Streamlabs, Meld Studio, which is something that I'm using right now. So you're gonna open your source, click on browser, uh, put in your browser link that you copied from here, and then you save it into your OBS, Streamlabs, Stream Elements, whichever one you use, you put it in there. And then you just place it wherever on the screen that you want, either to the left or right, whatever you want to choose. So we're going to do the same thing for the group Fugi now. So the group Fugi, what's going to happen is you can include your photo in group Fugi, or have your make 2 of them. So make your personal Fugi separate, which I always put it under my Fugi. So this way my Fugi is separate. And then I do not include my image in the view on the top here. But if you want all of them to show in the same spot, you can include this one and just make sure that you're not using this one, because if not, you're going to appear twice. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to click on copy group. So all you do is, you don't have to do anything for this one. You just copy the link and put it in your browser. And then once you go into Discord and you go into your voice chat, your friends will show up next to you. So you just, this settings that I have here, they will appear smaller next to you, depending on where you place the Fugis at. So once you put the browser in, you just place them wherever you want them. So this way your Fugi is bigger than theirs, and distinctive, and you'll see all of them talking all at the same time. So it's kind of fun. But that's how I get my characters to look the way they look. And I have like different ones. So I have this one right here. And I also have my old one, which is this one, which doesn't look really, that's the Discord one. So here's the one that I was using previously, which is my original logo, which I still use. This is going to be my new avatar that I'm doing. And then I'm working on basically taking her apart and putting her in pngtuber remix. So it looks a little more smoother and she'll be able to move her hands and stuff. So it's going to be a little different. But yeah, this is what I use at the moment for my character to move and talk what it appears to be talking. So it's just different images and it uses it like a GIF or a GIF. And that's basically it. So if you have any questions, if you want to, hit me up, message me, and I can run down how to do this piece by piece. So I hope you like it. I'll see you guys tomorrow and have a great day. Thank you.